This 2018 Forest River Flagstaff Micro Lite 23LB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River is 23 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep 6, water heater, Skylight, spare tire kit, auxiliary battery, awning, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, TV, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Forest River Flagstaff Micro Lite 23LB is 4,121 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.